Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Ekadasi Titi ki Jai, Madhava Titi ki Jai. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhaktivinoda. Dying sick.
Might be paralyzed from like crashing itself against the window because it was right next to the window, and might have broken its neck. But I'm gonna see if I can. Might just be temporary, so I'm gonna put it under a tree and hopefully it'll be able to get away. If not, it'll just die outside peacefully. And we gave it the Ganga Jal, so that's good. I think it might be dying.
Poor little birdie. Love you, little birdie.
Okay, gotta take it outside now.
Bye.
It's the birdie not. It's the birdie not go.
He might die. He's sick.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll live. Yeah. We have to keep away from the kitties because the kitties might eat it. She's gonna take it and put it in a safe place.
I'll hold it.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Come. Wait for Vama Dave, he wants to hold it. Don't cry though. You might scare him.
Your hand out. It's standing up now.
Maybe it'll live. Maybe the Ganga Jal had a little clay in it and it drank the water. Just hold it in your hand.
It's okay, it's not hurting you.
Maybe it's okay.
Maybe it was just shocked. Hare Krishna, don't touch it, don't. Very gentle. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
He's sitting on his finger.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Don't bend your finger. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Wow, you're holding it, baby.
Hare Rama,
It's so cute.
Rama, Hare Hare. Careful. Don't move your finger.
He doesn't know what to do. It's getting more and more lively.
Yeah. It was on its back when I found it.
Oh, it's probably just shocked or something.
Chanted.
Say Hare Krishna to the birdie. Hare Krishna, little birdie. Say it. Oh,
Cute.
yeah.
Don't smash its fingers. It might fly away any second. Hare Krishna, little birdie.
The cats go in the barn.
You have to take it from far away so the cats don't see it anymore. Because the cats will eat it. Yeah. They'll die for sure. Maybe he can lift up his hand.
Foot's not stuck in that crease.
He flew away. Oh, yay! That bird was lucky because he got to hear the holy name.
And he got Gangajal in his
He got
mouth.
Gangajal.
So nice.
Oh.
He's okay. He's all better.
Goodbye, birdie. Say bye to the birdie.